Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. D-glucose is an aldose, aldehyde sugar, while D-fructose is a ketose, ketone sugar. We need a reagent that can distinguish between an aldehyde sugar and a ketone sugar. Moving on to the next step. Evaluate options A, B, and C. Felling solution. Option A, both D-glucose and D-fructose give a positive Felling test. Fructose, despite being a ketose, is oxidized by Felling solution under alkaline conditions because it undergoes tautomerization to an aldose, enediol rearrangement, in alkaline medium. Therefore, Felling solution cannot differentiate them. Tollens reagent. Option B, similarly, Tollens reagent is used under alkaline conditions. D-fructose also gives a positive Tollens test due to the same enediol tautomerization in alkaline medium. Therefore, Tollens reagent cannot differentiate them. Benedict test. Option C, Benedict reagent also works under mildly alkaline conditions. Both glucose and fructose give a positive Benedict test for the same reason as above. Therefore, Benedict test cannot differentiate them. And for the final step, evaluate option D, Br2H2O. Bromine water, Br2H2O, is a mild oxidizing agent that works under acidic neutral conditions. Under these conditions, tautomerization of fructose does not occur. D-glucose, aldose, is readily oxidized by Br2H2O because the aldehyde group is directly oxidized to a carboxylic acid, gluconic acid, decolorizing the bromine water. D-fructose, ketose, does not react with Br2H2O under neutral acidic conditions because ketones are not oxidized by bromine water in the absence of base. The bromine water remains colored orange-yellow. Therefore, Br2H2O can selectively differentiate D-glucose, decolorizes Br2 water, from D-fructose, does not decolorize Br2 water. Why other options fail? All of Felling solution, Tollens reagent, and Benedict test operate under alkaline conditions, where fructose undergoes enediol tautomerization and behaves as a reducing sugar similar to glucose, making differentiation impossible. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.